Are your TikTok comments not showing up? Here's how to fix it. First, check if TikTok is having issues. Bugs and server problems can make comments disappear. Look at TikTok's official pages or forums to see if others are reporting the same issue. Next, update your app. An outdated version could be causing the problem. Go to your app store and install the latest update. If that doesn't help, clear your cache. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three dots, find free up space, and hit clear cache. Still not working? Check your internet. A weak connection can stop comments from loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or move to a better spot. If your account has restrictions, comments might be hidden. TikTok sometimes shadow bans accounts for breaking community guidelines. If you think this happened, contact TikTok support. If your comments are out of order, that's just TikTok's algorithm at work. And if you can't comment at all, the creator probably has restrictions set. That's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and check our blog for more TikTok fixes. See you next time.